best player ever. Arlo versus Kazumi. Hey, he's cheating. Oh my god, he's cheating. Oh my god. Trick shot. Oh my god, he's cheating. I'm so scared. Oh my god, trick shot. Oh, Kazumi, do fair, man. That's unfair. Do like fair enough. No hacking. Let's play fairly.
Hala ka, gitatawan ko.
Let's play fairly, Kazumi. No glitching. Oh, no stick glitch.
Remember what you always me?
Play fairly, Kazumi. Let's rematch. Play fairly. No hacking, okay?
Sure.
I delete my hack so we can play fairly. Come on. Who is the best player ever? I can say 3, 2, 1, okay? I'm gonna say it. And 3, and 2, and 1. Come on. Oh my god. Oh, where are you? Where are you? Oh my god.
What's up?
Oh my god. Oh my god. I can beat the hacker. Oh my god. I am so banned. Man, what did you use? Oh! Dang.
I see what you did, man. You're gonna send people, man. Try to play this.
Yeah, you are not gonna get me, girl. Or a woman or a girl. What the heck? You're not getting me, brother. You should sorry for that, for using hacker. Wait, using hackers. This is really quite of the cherry family, of the silly family. If you really use that, okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to glitch. Come on guys. I'm super scared. Oh my god.
You can't find me.
Yeah, I cannot find you. I just gonna relax. I know you're gonna find me with your using SCP. That's unfair. Okay guys, my classmate using hackings, so I can beat him.
Hey, Marlo.
Wait, what? Oh my god!
Ano to him? Babae man si Kazumi.
My bad saying for him or she Oh yeah, she.
Gusto mo mag-2v1? John, ano? Ay, gusto mo mag-1v1? Ay, 2v1?
Oh my god. Okay guys,
John!
we need to beat him.
Hey, Marlo!
Ay, oh she, yeah, she.
We need to beat her!
Ay, oh, her, yeah, her.
One rivals be.
Okay, let's do this. Kazumi, don't use socks, please play fairly. Oh my god.
Ay, 1v1. I think she wants
This
a
toxic girl, he not gonna do that.
2v1 rivals pa. Johan. Wait, nagdulog ka ka.
This is the last round. Don't use. Kazumi, don't use, please. Don't use.
Last round na yun.
Last round, ayo, play fairly. Man, play fairly. Oh my god, this girl is not keeping this
Time
freaking.
to beat this dude.
Please, ayos, please.
Non-glitch. I'll give you a chance.
Yeah, I just glitched. Yay, thank you. Finally. Thank you for giving me a chance.
And that's the only chance I will give. What you gonna do?
Let me lock him in, guys. Come on. Oh,
Alright, let's do you want?